In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a small folding chair with a hook on it for bleachers. This is the Bleacher chair, and it's black, and it's got mesh fabric on it, and it came in this box right here. And here's some of the size dimensions on it. It's 17.3 by 18.1 by 18.1, and it is a folding chair. So you know what? We don't need that anymore. Let me show you the chair. So what you're going to do, you get it just like this, and you see these hooks right down here. There's a couple of hooks for hooking it on some bleachers. Actually, let me back up a little bit and show you some of this. So there's the two hooks. These lock under some bleachers right here. You've got a handle, nice convenient handle right here, Velcro, and then it just opens like that. So if you don't want a set of bleachers and you just want to set in it like this, you can set in it like that right there. Let me back up a little bit and show you sitting in it. Very easy to set in. You can just, if I just want to kind of camp out and hang out right here, it kind of leans back a little bit, and it's pretty comfortable because it's a mesh padding, and it's kind of got this little bit of waterproofing to it. It's not completely waterproof. I think you can move that right here. Looks very solidly made. It's got some rubberized like grip right here. It's got a shoulder sling that's where you could put it around the shoulder and carry it. Pretty simple right there. Or carry it just like that, and then the Velcro goes like that. This is something I think everybody should have that's doing like soccer games, basketball games, football games. If you're like a fan and you're going to the stands and you hate that because there's no backing to it, something I highly recommend. You could probably even get one and get stitched your favorite team or something on it if you really wanted to. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Bleacher backrest. See you all in the next video.